One downstairs, two downstairs probably.
What is going on, people? How are you all doing? So in this video, I'm going to be doing a vlog on my quarantine workout fast challenge where I'm going to be having no sugar. So you ready to join me on this journey? I'm just doing a wudu right now, which is basically ablution, where I'm just cleansing myself before I do my prayers. So watch me in action, eh? Hey guys, it's like 2:45 in the morning and I'm just about to have my pre-dawn meal before I start my fast. So I thought I'd check in with you. Anyway, let's go have some breakfast very quickly. Almond milk. Right then guys and gals, are you ready for this workout, the quarantine weight loss workout? I am pumped, I'm excited, so let's do this. What you haven't seen is the fact that I've done a lot of reps whilst the camera was off. So that's the reason why on camera you can't see I'm doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. I hope you enjoy that, guys. Just making some eggs now because as I'm trying to get off the sugar, it's really good to have eggs, nuts to really replace those sugars that you've been eating. So I'm trying to increase that. So my fasting is going to be finishing in about 10 minutes. It's crazy because yeah, I've set myself a challenge of not having any sugar for 10 days because I've just been admittedly having too much sugar. So I really want to clean out my system properly. But yeah, let me give you a sneak little peek on as to what I'm having for my fast breaking. I'm not going to have all of this, by the way. my mum, my brother, I think, are going to be having, going to be breaking fast as well. And also we have got chickpeas there. Pretty nice, eh? We've got some more vegetables. And this is called kisuri, guys. So it's kind of like, I don't know, a rice. It looks almost, it's almost like rice pudding, but it's not, if that makes sense. It's more of a savoury version with dal in there. It's pretty awesome. It's really good for digestion. And then what we've got here is, if I bring it out, hold on. Da 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 da. My green smoothie. Here we go. Can you see that, guys? Green smoothie. Here we go. As I say, you can get the link on somewhere here or here, and you can find out how to make this baby here. So the wife made what's called some hunafa, which is like this sweet dish, and I have a sweet tooth. Here we go, just to quickly show you. Normally, I would dig into this, right? But I'm trying to wean off sugar because I have a sweet tooth, so trying to clean all that stuff out of my system. But I'm gonna withdraw. Just breaking my fast now. First date after fasting for 14 hours and working out. Beat that, huh? Oh, water's so good. Cheers, guys. Bit strong on the aloe vera, but can't ask for more, can you?
One downstairs, two downstairs probably.
So yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give this a thumbs up, and please, most importantly, subscribe to this channel. We're going to have more content on productivity, health, spirituality, and all that good stuff. So until then, have a great day. And one more thing. Make sure you try fasting. Make sure you go for a fast, and make sure you work out when you're fasting on your fast days. I promise you, you'll lose weight a lot quicker than you would if you weren't fasting. So give that a go, all right? Till then, my friends, speak again soon. Take care. All the best. Bye.